Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today both my Lego Separator and my friend Steve here are feeling very sleepy. They need their beds. And that's because today's 3-minute mini build is going to be this bed. Now I know what you're thinking. Beds are very simple. I could do one with my eyes closed. Well, this bed, however, is different because it's a special designer bed with place underneath it, because chances are you have a bed that you can throw things under there that collect dust, and then your mum or your dad come and saying, "Daddy, Roo, why are you putting things underneath your bed?" But anyway, I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. Start yourself off with a slightly bigger base plate than we usually start off with. This is the 6x4 standard base plate size, and a 2x4 tile. I like these tiles, they're very nice and chunky. They're used in a lot of different things. Modified tiles with the studs on them will add a bit of texture to our bed. Standard 1x1 bricks, they will be the legs of our table. I was going to say table, no, it's a bed. And over here, the side attachment bricks, just from the regular kind. We're not doing anything too fancy with this bed. We're just making it look appealing. Could be a children's bed even. Now, we need to do the top of our bed. Another one of these 6x4 standard base plates and a 1x4 standard base plate. This is going to help attach our legs nicely. 1x4 tiles, or you can use any combination of tiles that you like. A 2x4 standard base plate. This is going to raise our pillow up a little bit, so you preferably want a white one. Carbonate piece. You might recognize these quite a lot because they come from carbonates. And that's our bed. We're going to bring in back out the base of the bed. We're going to stick our bed on top, and now we're going to add the decoration on the side that you might have noticed. So 2 more carbonates, but in a different color. We'll put it upside down on this side, on the side attachment bricks, and on over here we're going to have it like this, and there we've done it. So there we have it, the bed is complete. That was a very short build. We could have done a little bit more there, but it's only down to the fact that this is a very simple build. You can stuff some small tiles or stuff in there, because we like to stuff things under our beds. And speaking of more, I made another bed using nearly exactly the same technique, just in a different color, and I think this is a good variant for another bed as well. But anyway, we're gonna go down to the fact of how we put our minifigures in the beds. And that's when you bring your minifigure. You see these studs over here? These attach to the legs very nicely. You place the arms down. You could even turn the head slightly. And there, that looks very comfortable. It's making me sleepy already. You know, I'm going to bring another person to go in this bed. Very nice color scheme as well for the bed sheets. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you. And until next time, happy building!